Hello dear students, welcome to offline session of mathematics. Today we are going to study question number 15 of exercise 12.3. Topic is areas related to circle. Let us see the question. In figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. So here in the figure you can see the quadrant. This radius is 14 centimeter. Okay, 14 centimeter, and a semicircle is drawn with BC as a diameter. So you can see here BC is a diameter and this semicircle is drawn here. This semicircle is drawn, okay, with diameter BC, right? Find the area of shaded region. Now we want to find this shaded region. Now you can see here quadrant is given, that is we can say ABC. This is a quadrant, right? Now this part we can say first part here, region 1, right? This region 1 is nothing but the segment of a circle with a radius 14 centimeter. So how can we find the shaded region? So area of shaded region is equal to area of this semicircle minus area of this segment, okay? And we know how to find the area of segment. Area of segment is equal to what? Area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle, okay? So here radius of quadrant, we'll write radius of quadrant will denote it as capital R is equal to 14 centimeter, right? Now we'll find area of quadrant. Area of quadrant, that is unshaded portion. This complete unshaded portion is a quadrant, okay? We say sector. If this angle is 90 degree, then it is called as a quadrant, right? So if it is a quadrant given, then this angle will be 90 degree, right? So area of quadrant, we know the formula for area of quadrant. Area of quadrant is equal to 1/4 pi r square, capital R, okay? Here you can write theta upon 360 into pi r square also, but theta is equal to 90. 90 upon 360 is 1/4. That's why we can use this formula directly. So let us substitute the values. 1/4. Now pi is 22 upon 7 and r is 14 multiplied by 14, right? So let us solve this one. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, right? So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, right? So again we can do here 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are 14, right? So what we get here? We get 22 multiplied by 7, and this area of quadrant we get 154 centimeter square. 7 twos are 14, 4 1 7 twos are 14 plus 1 15. So 154 centimeter square is the area of quadrant. Now we'll find the area of triangle. As this is right angle triangle, so easily we can use half into base into height. So if AC is a base, AB will be height. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half into 14 into 14. You can write AC into AB also. So here 2 sevens are 7 multiplied by 14, right? So 7 multiplied by 14 is 98. 4 sevens are 28, 8 2 and 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 2 9. So 98 centimeter square. This is area of triangle ABC, okay? Now we want to find area of segment. So how to find area of segment? Area of segment 1, right? Here region 1 we have mentioned. So area of segment is equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle ABC, right? So quadrant is 154. We'll write here we'll continue. Quadrant area is 154 minus 98. So 154 minus 98 is 56 centimeter square. So we get this area of region 1, that is the segment, 56 centimeter square we are getting. Now we have to find area of this semicircle. Area of semicircle, for that we need this radius. Okay, BC is the diameter of semicircle, but we don't know BC. So we can find BC in triangle ABC. BC is equal to under root 14 square plus 14 square, right? Or directly we can write here root 2 multiplied by 14. This is 196 plus 196, right? So here 2 multiplied by 196, that is root 2 into root 196, and therefore we write root 2 into 14, that is 14 root 2 is the BC, right? Now radius will be radius of semicircle, then radius of semicircle will denote small r is equal to 1 upon 2 14 root 2, that will be 7 root 2. 7 root 2 will be the radius. So let us find area of semicircle. So area of semicircle is equal to half multiply by pi r square. Half pi is 22 upon 7 and r is 7 root 2 multiplied by 7 root 2. We'll write this step here again because here it is not visible. So we'll write this step here. Half into 22 upon 7, 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. Correct. So here 2 ones are 2 11s are, right? So 11 upon 7 root 2 multiplied by root 2 is 2, right? And here 7 into 7. So this 7 will get cancelled, and we get here 22 multiplied by 7. So 22 multiplied by 7 is 154. Understood? So we get here 154 is the area of semicircle. Now we want to find area of shaded region. So area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of segment. Segment is denoted by 1. Okay. So what is area of semicircle? Area of semicircle is 154. And area of segment we have found. Where is area of segment? This one, 56, right? So here 56 is equal to 98 centimeter square, and therefore area of shaded region is equals to 98 centimeter square. Hope you understood this one. Thank you.